Mother's Day is this Sunday, and as a mom of many, I'm telling you, I can't wait.
She ballparks it now with her total. And it's not too late to get your mom a gift to show you just how much you appreciate everything they do.
And here with a whole bunch of awesome Mother's Day gifts, Skip BEDELL along with his wife, Allison. Good morning to you.
Wifey.
You know, people need ideas. At our house, now that the kids are grown up, Mother's Day, the kids have got to get their mom stuff themselves. So you've got some great explanations.
Yeah, so don't forget, you know, there are sisters and aunties and other people who want to get Mother's Day gifts, right? So it's not all, so listen, I'm a huge fan of Vitapod. I've spoken about this before. Vitapod is a machine that uses pods, all the goodness of vegetables.
It's like a coffee maker.
Exactly. You pop it right in the machine. But what's great about it is that you get all the minerals and vitamins, polyphenols, things that you need. Antioxidants. But right now, they're running this great Mother's Day package, and it's awesome. So you get a machine, you get beauty pods, and you get sports pods for energy. So let me tell you about these beauty pods. These are great, and I know you use them, right? They have collagen, biotin, zinc, all the things to keep mom's skin looking great and
They're
radiant.
Good for your hair and your nails and your skin, but also
all that
the
good
skin.
stuff.
You don't have to rub it on, you drink it?
You just drink it, and it tastes
inside out.
It tastes delicious. So listen, so right now what they're doing is they have a package for Mother's Day gifts. You get a machine, you get a sports bottle which goes on the go. You drop the pod right in it. You shake it up, you can mix it up. So you can take the package with you in the car or to the office.
Nice.
And you also get a bag of beauty pods and a bag of sports pods, all for $1.99, which is 50% off.
I drink one of these every single morning. It really makes a huge difference.
Your energy,
cellulite, skin, hair, nails, everything.
Did you say cellulite?
Cellulite. I said cellulite.
Allison, Brian and I were complaining about the trouble we have putting our lashes on.
This is the original, the #1 DIY lash extension kit that exists.
Nice.
I do these myself. I don't know if you guys can get a little zoom in, but on my eyelashes. But I mean, I do these myself. It's super easy.
Apparently, women spend a lot of money to go to salons to have this done.
This is the kit that you get when you order it. You got to go to skipbedell.com to get the special link. There's going to be 10% off if you order it through his link.
Okay.
This is what you get. It's
and
called
can they get them by?
kit.
Can they get them by Mother's Day?
You can get it by Mother's Day. It's got the lashes, the bond, the tools, the sealer, everything that you need. The cleanser. It gives you samples.
Hey, don't forget that mirror. That thing is crazy.
Yeah, because you got to have a good mirror to put them on.
Yeah. This. Oh, you can get this mirror too.
This is lighted.
This is and it's well lit. You know, you can touch that and makes it brighter. You put the lashes on here. This is awesome. Gooseneck mirror. Everybody loves this. You stick this to your mirror so you don't have to bend over the sink for us old ladies that want it right up in our face with a 10 zoom.
I love looking at myself.
It's lit. Yes.
I personally like this one because I'm a flower guy. I like to give mom flowers, but you know, you can either give mom flowers like this or in some sort of regular vase, or this is this awesome handbag vase, and it's a great way to present the flowers, and then she can use it forever. Every time she looks at her beautiful flowers, she'll think of you as a great gift, right?
Don't forget skipbedell.com to get the links.
Use it for something. Listen, guys, Tiki Tunes, you know about this, right? Tiki Tunes are amazing. So Tiki Tunes are a waterproof tiki torch like you'd have out in your yard. Only instead of burning a flame, they're battery operated, up to 12-hour battery life. You can link up to 100 of these, but here's the best part. A Bluetooth speaker in this 360 sound. So now mom can enjoy a flickering flame at home, listen to her music, or take it outside, tabletop, or like you can see here, we can stick them in the plants, and you can link them up to have surround sound.
To show here now.
On skipbedell.com. If you go to our links, they got $30 off right now.
I can have a tiki torch and listen to Brian kill me.
And you guys
listen to Brian's show on the Tiki
That's
Tunes.
right. You've got lots of other great suggestions for Mother's Day. Go to skipbedell.com.
That's right, guys.
Links for all the specials.
Allison, Skip, thank you very much.
Yeah, no excuses. Get a gift.
This is the good stuff, man.
All right,
We're going to step aside.
Skip.
Back
Thanks,
with more
Allison.
Fox and Friends, Hour 3 in just a minute.